Onpassive is the treasure trove of goodness and love for humanity. Look at what is happening in the world of big business. Big business' insatiable focus on making money for themselves is truly without precedence. Giant IT companies are flourishing because they have made their companies inaccessible to the common people. Those companies make consumers of people, not partners in their companies. Consumers of their products are basically trapped. How are they trapped? By using overpriced inferior products of those companies. The yokes that companies have put on the backs of hardworking people are enormous. That is the way it was designed to do. These giant IT companies are legally fleecing the public. They are legitimate and legal. But does that make them right for the masses of humanity looking for bettering their lives? No, it does not. Then there are scams all over the internet, by those who could care less about the victims, who fall for their scams. Legitimate businesses on the internet like Amazon, Google, and Facebook and others are not scams. But they make it almost impossible for the average person to make a living for his family, by using the products of those companies. That is why only 3% are successful who use those products, and 97% fail. Those looking to make money on the internet should also run away from anyone talking about a program that they have that can make them rich. A program is not a company. These tech giants have never referred to themselves as programs. So, beware about falling for programs. Programs don't have brick and mortar addresses. Programs are not operating in over 212 countries. Programs are not registered to do business legitimately in those countries. Programs don't have CEOs as heads of their programs. Programs are run out of someone's basement, spare bedroom and garage. Programs do not have infrastructure. These programs are money traps for all who get involved in them. Stay away from them. That is why Onpassive is so appealing. Onpassive meets the requirements of a legal entity. Onpassive is not a program. Onpassive is a legitimate company, and it takes time to be ready to operate legitimately as a business on the internet. While others tried to hide what they do, Onpassive is open to anyone who wants to do their due diligence. Check it out. Onpassive is not trying to trick people to use their products. Onpassive's CEO, Mr. Ashmafare, is completely open about his record of being a phenomenally successful businessman, online and offline. He is not hiding anything from anyone. His face is all over the internet. He is building Onpassive as a truly ethical company. A company that can be trusted. A company that will not be shut down by officials of any country that Onpassive is registered in. Onpassive is registered for business in over 212 different countries. How legitimate is that? Onpassive has a state-of-the-art operational brick-and-mortar business in Hyderabad in India, consisting of over 600 of the best technical brains ever assembled by one company. Onpassive has a home, based in Orlando, Florida, USA. Onpassive has attracted some of the most brilliant people on earth to be founders, from every segment of society and business, like the fields of science, medicine, the arts, nuclear physicists, the field of education, dentistry, psychiatry, and psychology, nurses and first responders, essential workers, successful businesspeople and entrepreneurs, older people, young people. All people regardless of race, color, gender and many more. All these people have been attracted to Onpassive. Why? Because they see Onpassive as different from other legitimate companies online and off the internet. They see Onpassive as the company with heart and compassion for all humanity. Onpassive is a company being directed by a man, Mr. Ashmafare, who is totally into helping as many people as possible succeed when they come on the internet for products and services. Onpassive's digital and AI-driven portfolio of products will take care of all of those who use its products. If they just become part of Onpassive, they will see Onpassive as the treasure trove of goodness and love for humanity. They will all be winners, because they got in. John White, USA. A Bill Must production.